Hey, my name is Haley and I am the program director at Restoration Atlanta. We are a nonprofit organization that partners with other community organizations to provide services for families who are transitioning out of homelessness. So one of the most amazing opportunities that we've had just as an organization is to be able to grow our programs and provide after school and summer camp to our families actually here at North Avenue Presbyterian Church. And we are just so grateful for the opportunity to utilize this space, specifically in the children's ministry area as well as the BMC. That has enabled us to provide just Monday through Friday every single day after school programs for the kids and families that we serve, which allows moms to continue to work and provide for their families in order to just make that transition out of homelessness.
That you're not using inside of this. You need water, oil, marshmallows, any kind of food coloring, and a lot of water.
This partnership with North Avenue has been one of the most life-giving partnerships that we've gotten to experience as an organization. It has also just been so life-giving to our families. We hear all the time just how amazing the moms and kids think that this space is, and just getting to utilize the gym and the different classrooms has just really blessed us as an organization and has truly breathed new life into us. And so we're so grateful for this partnership with you guys. Thank you so much.
Make a plan to be life-giving. Make a plan to be life-giving.
Make a plan to be life-giving.